Do you feel confused, tired, and exhausted? Don't know from where you should begin learning English? Hello, everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is me, Polyglot Larry. Do you feel confused, tired, and exhausted? Don't know from where you should begin learning English? So I got you covered because I was exactly like you 2 years ago. But by following these 5 simple steps that I'm going to share with you in this video, I improved my English. I became fluent enough, I improved my vocabulary, and I can think and speak in English as well. When I was in my 11th grade, my textbooks were in English, but I used to translate them each and every line into Urdu to make myself understand that what the text is saying actually. So I realized it was a very time-consuming process and I was unable to understand anything. In result, I was stressed, I was confused, and I was frustrated. I felt very limited because I was missing out on majority of the English YouTube channels, English professors, which were explaining everything so nicely so that if anybody could just watch their videos, would understand entire concept. So I followed it very strongly that it helped me to turn or to change my life entirely. It was a time when I realized that English to Urdu translations were slowing down my academic performance as well. Because whenever I used to rely on the concept, I was unable to write in my exam. Because the question was in English, answer demands English, but I was like, my concept is clear, but I don't know how to write in English. I don't know how to make a sentence. But I didn't give up and I tried to improve. I said, the word impossible says that I am possible. So why can't you try again and why can't you improve? Now it's the time to reveal the 5 steps which I followed as a beginner and became pro in English. The first step is to identify your mistake. My mistake was I was continuously translating English text into Urdu. So I accepted my mistake and tried to work on it. Similarly, you have to identify your mistake. Number 2, identify your goal. My goal was to stop translating English text into Urdu so that I can understand and think in English by just reading the text. Number 3, check your level. This step is very important because we often don't know what is our current level, so we are unable to work on our English. What I did was, I took the British Council English test, which is present online, you can just Google it, and it told me what is my current level, so I tried to work on it. The 4th step is watch content of interest. For example, I used to like makeup videos all the time, which do makeup and speak in English. You can watch any YouTube channel, any movie, any short story of your interest to improve your English. The 5th and the last step is build vocabulary and bases. Now, by watching the content of your interest out some difficult words or some difficult vocabulary or some short contracted words in their speaking, and you can note it down into your notebook and you can try to incorporate all those words into your daily life. This will help you a lot and improve your English instantly. So these were 5 steps which I followed as a beginner to learn English. In the end, I would say it doesn't matter if you were in the first year of university, second, third, or fourth. Just start. If you have will to improve your English, start working on it. Because the main thing which matters is that you are trying to improve and your English journey begins with one small step. So, take it now.